Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm that cute girl from Africa. You can call me Ella. If you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and join the cute squad. If you are old, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for always supporting me. So guys, today I have here with me
Frida, Juliet.
Okay, so today we decided to experience Accra's happiest place. That's how they call this place. It's the Bliss Family Entertainment.
Right, so welcome to Bliss and thank you so much for coming. Here at Bliss we have two playing areas. We have the bowling area and we also have the trampoline arena. So at the bowling area it's 120 per person for a full game, and the game lasts for as long as you like it to. And at the trampoline area we have 160 for adults and 110 for children. You get 1 hour and you have access to all 15 games and you can play as many as you like.
Today is the reaction wall section. So this is how you
forgot to do an outro, so let me do that quickly. So I'll give the place 1,000/100. Seriously, the place is very fun. Everybody is nice. The staffs are very cool. They are very ready to help you with everything. Everybody is just, the place is just nice. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notification on. Until the next video.